the top 5 vitamins to repair your nerves. In today's video, we're diving into the world of nerve repair and the crucial vitamins that can support the process. Our nervous system is one of the most vital parts of our body, responsible for sending and receiving signals between the brain and the rest of our body. Just like any other system, it needs proper nutrition to perform at its best. In this video, we'll focus on the top 5 vitamins that are essential for repairing nerves and maintaining a healthy nervous system. These vitamins are crucial for nerve growth and regeneration, and they can help alleviate symptoms of nerve damage. So let's explore the top 5 vitamins that can help repair and protect your nerves. Just a quick note, this video is for educational purposes, so make sure to consult your doctor if you have any health concerns. 1. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, is an essential B-complex vitamin required for various bodily functions, including nerve health. It plays a critical role as a coenzyme in the metabolism of carbohydrates, which provide energy for the body. Thiamine is also involved in producing neurotransmitters, the chemicals that transmit signals in the nervous system. Nerve damage caused by injury, diabetes, alcohol abuse, or nutritional deficiencies can result in nerve degeneration. This leads to symptoms like tingling, numbness, weakness, and even paralysis in extreme cases. Vitamin B1 is key to nerve repair by promoting nerve growth. Vitamin B1 supports the production of nerve growth factor, NGF, a protein essential for the growth and survival of nerve cells. Enhancing nerve conductivity. It helps in the creation of myelin, the protective sheath that covers nerve fibers. Myelin ensures efficient nerve signal transmission, and B1 helps in its production, improving nerve function. Reducing oxidative stress. As an antioxidant, B1 neutralizes reactive oxygen species, ROS, reducing oxidative stress that can further damage nerves and aiding in their repair. By improving energy metabolism and supporting overall nerve health, vitamin B1 can be your ally in the journey of nerve recovery. 2. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a major role in nerve repair. It's particularly crucial for the synthesis of collagen, the protein that maintains the structure of the nerve sheath. Without enough vitamin C, the nerve sheath can weaken, leaving nerves more vulnerable to damage. Here's how vitamin C can help repair nerves. Collagen synthesis. Vitamin C is necessary for collagen production, which is vital for the structural integrity of nerve sheaths. Powerful antioxidant. As an antioxidant, vitamin C neutralizes free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage nerve cells. Supporting immune function. Vitamin C boosts the immune system, helping it send the right signals to repair damaged nerves. Neurotransmitter synthesis. Vitamin C is required to produce neurotransmitters that carry signals between nerve cells. This is vital for nerve communication and repair. 3. Vitamin B12, Cobalamin. Vitamin B12, or Cobalamin, is a vital nutrient for maintaining healthy nerve cells and supporting their repair. It helps produce myelin, which is essential for nerve signal transmission. Vitamin B12 is also involved in DNA synthesis and the formation of new nerve cells. Additionally, it regulates homocysteine levels, an amino acid that in excess can be toxic to nerve cells. Here's how vitamin B12 aids nerve repair. Myelin formation. Vitamin B12 is involved in creating and maintaining the myelin sheath that protects nerve fibers. DNA synthesis. It supports the creation of DNA, helping nerve cells grow and repair. Regulating homocysteine. High levels of homocysteine can damage nerves, but B12 helps convert it into a non-toxic form, protecting nerve cells from harm. Research shows that supplementing with vitamin B12 can significantly improve nerve function and reduce symptoms like pain and numbness in individuals suffering from neuropathy. 4. Vitamin B6, Pyridoxine. Vitamin B6, or Pyridoxine, is another essential vitamin that supports nerve health. It plays a key role in neurotransmitter production and is crucial for brain function and mood regulation. Here's how vitamin B6 helps with nerve repair. Neurotransmitter production. B6 is involved in the synthesis of serotonin, dopamine, and GABA, all critical for nerve communication. Reducing nerve inflammation. It has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce nerve irritation and support healing. Balancing nerve signals. B6 ensures nerves fire correctly, reducing the risk of abnormal sensations like tingling or burning. However, it's important to note that too much vitamin B6 can cause nerve damage, so always consult a healthcare provider before supplementing. 5. Vitamin D. Often overlooked, vitamin D plays an important role in the health of the nervous system. It has neuroprotective properties and supports the repair and regeneration of nerves. Here's how vitamin D contributes to nerve repair. Modulating inflammation. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system and reduces inflammation that may contribute to nerve pain. Supporting neurotrophins. It increases the production of neurotrophic factors, which are proteins that aid in nerve growth and repair, protecting against degeneration. Studies suggest vitamin D deficiency is linked to increased risk of multiple neurological disorders, indicating its importance in nerve protection. Incorporating these top 5 vitamins into your diet can support nerve repair and promote overall nerve health. While vitamins are vital in the healing process, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional before making changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more educational content. See you in the next video.